Hello y'all, September 11th was the date, and after Hurricane Ida, for some reason my BIOS reset. I don't know if my battery's dead on here for my BIOS, so I'm going to switch that and turn on power on power loss or whatever it was called and stuff like that, because it doesn't turn on automatically anymore and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get to it. Also, I did add 2 fans in here now because for some reason this CPU went so hot, and I received the CPU cooler like 5 times. It just doesn't work. 1600X, and that CPU cooler is made for a 3900X. So that's a bummer, mate. Anyway, I'm gonna do what I was planning to do right now. I am planning to undervolt that too. Kind of forgot about that. Alright, I just put everything in, put the new battery. Now all I gotta do is just turn it on, hook up the HDMI cable to my laptop, and get my Bluetooth keyboard actually. And yeah, I'll be showing you on my screen on my laptop and just start doing what I need to do, pretty much. This first 10 or 11 days has been very uneventful. So yeah. Sorry, can't really do much about that. Ugh. I'm half asleep, by the way, so yeah. I might have to go in, bro. Fine, don't go in. I might have to take out all my GPUs besides one, because sometimes the BIOS does not show whatsoever when I have more than one GPU in it. Which, I don't know if that's just like all computers, but it seems to be like that. It's kind of hard to turn this on when you can't really see what you're doing, but you'll get it someday. Oh, now it's faster than I usually do. So now I gotta hold FN F2. And I do need to turn on my laptop, so I'm just gonna spam that for a while. I'm moving y'all. Oop. Here. This box gotta go. Got my address on it. Bruh, I just realized I've been doing F3 instead of F2. So I probably will have to turn it on and turn it back off. Don't care. Alright, there we go. Hello, it's me. Oh, I look like a mess. Yeah, that's what it looks like I have to do. So I'm going to take out all the GPUs besides one and then just see if that will... Oh! Okay. Let me just turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. And... damn, it's hot in here. And F2 instead of F3. Alright, it actually worked like normal. All the GPUs are still in. So yeah. I'm actually gonna record this on the actual laptop itself. The audio might be shit, actually. I'm going to use this microphone and just record on here. I recently bought this on Amazon. Smart plugs, woohoo! I'm gonna set one up real quick and just see how it works quickly, because with this rig, it likes to not work for no reason, and it says it's offline, but when I go here, it says something about connection error, which I did replace the USB Wi-Fi, and that still did not fix it. But when I turn it off, turn it back on, it magically fixes it. So I thought, hey, might as well have a smart plug, turn it off, turn it on, like wherever I am. So yeah, that's why I got a smart plug. Plus, I could put this on my AC and do like a schedule on it, where when I'm not there, like let's say for school, I'm not there, it turns off automatically, but when I go home and when I'm about to go to sleep, and then it turns on automatically, you know, save electricity, woohoo. So I'm gonna set this up real quick, see how it works. Oh shit. Alright, I just set this thing up. smart plugs in. This is a 15 amp smart plug, so if you have a 30 amp system, then yeah, don't use these for our setup. So I haven't set up the app yet, but one cool thing about this is that there's a button on the side, so I can turn it off, turn it on. So let me show y'all that. Look how cool that is, bros. Yeah, it's like I have a PC button, but right by the socket. It's kind of cool. Alright, so I'm going to download the app, try and set it up on my phone, and I'll try to do that on my phone, and yeah, and then I'll probably just put on my AC, but I probably won't record that because that's not really mining related at all. Alright, I just set it up. Ooh, it is very bright. Hold up. Oh, I can't change my ISO. Bruh. Oh well. Actually, no, I'm just gonna do it. Alright, this is a very uncomfortable position, but gotta connect with my phone. This is my first time pressing this button. Let's see if it works. Oh, it turned off. Autofocus work. Look at that. I did lower my ISO so you could see my phone, so it is a bit dark out there. Sorry, y'all. If I click it, it turns back on. That's convenient. It seems like I have to do it on my Wi-Fi, which sucks, which actually I'm going to disconnect my Wi-Fi on purpose and try and do the same thing. Alright, so I'm using just service itself. Yeah, it's not working. Fuck. Well, the whole purpose about this thing is completely useless. I mean, it's not completely useless. I could, like, just do this from my room or something instead of, Oh, no. I lied. It works. I just had to reset the app. Alright. Poggers. So on here, there's a schedule. So I could schedule a timer like I talked about before. A timer. Okay, see, it turns off your smart plug after a certain time. Away. Oh, this is like a schedule thing too. And this shows how much runtime it is. Yeah, just the runtime. It'd be cool to see how much watts it uses. There might be something in advanced settings or something to turn that on. I don't know. I doubt it. It'd be cool to see though. Yeah, I don't see that at all. Oh well. It would be cool to see that information on there. But yeah, this is I bought this on Amazon. I'll put this in the link. It would be an associate link, or to support me, no extra cost to you. So yeah, pretty much finished with that rig and here for now. However, I am having problems with my 3900X rig with the 3060 Ti because for some reason it's not mining at all. And it haven't been mining on Arrow for I have no clue how long, because it doesn't even give me the graph for it. So it's been a long time. When I say the graph for it, I mean on Hive OS. That's been a long time because it's gone now. So fuck my life. So I'm gonna set that up now and see what's going on. It's not focusing well. Actually it is. I'm just blind. It just works now. I turn it off, turn it on before I even said what I said before, and I did it again, and now it works. Like, bruh. And is this mining? Yep, this is mining now. Well, that works now. Don't have to mess with it. That's good. I don't know why it does that way. Come on.
Alright, today is September 18th. So I did a little bit of changes. I'm on my main PC, which is what I'm on right now. I am mining Ravencoin Lite just for like maybe a week, just to hold it. It's mainly a speculative mining thing, so yeah, see what happens in the future with it. Just want to have a decent amount of it, you know. So if I go to here, open this, I can show you how much I have right now. Actually, I could show it here instead. Got like 2,500 Ravencoin Lite. And I really hate mining on Windows, I gotta be honest with you, because I don't get any notifications when my rigs or when the Windows PC just goes down or anything like that, because it's been down for like honestly, I'm so tired I can't really read this correctly. Maybe like 12 hours, and it's like, bruh, it's painful. I don't like that at all. Yeah, I just started it up. It's not showing where it is. I actually closed it because I'm recording this video. So yeah. So Raven Core Lite is a community-based project, and yeah, if you really want to know more about it, you could just read this. There it is, right there. It's interesting. I feel like it does have potential. It can mine on a CPU, which I did try that. It was 2 mega hashes on a 3900X, which I honestly didn't think it was worth it. So I put it back on Wild Narrow. However, the thing about Wild Narrow is the net rate hash rate. It did went down a lot more, but it's still, I don't know. I'm just not enjoying the profits I'm getting from it. So I was considering going to Raptorium because I know there's pools for it and stuff like that, and I think this is the most profitable coin. I haven't really tested it out. Don't know what hash rate I would actually get on this with all my CPUs. So yeah, this is mainly a CPU mining coin. A lot of people mine it, so yeah. This is probably what I'm going to change to. I didn't think about it yet. I probably will though. So I tried to buy a 2080 Ti on Facebook Marketplace, and yeah, it was a scam. I never gotten it, but I did go to refund, and it was like $600. So yeah, and instead it's going to take up to a month, which is going to be gay. And yeah, so I found this other deal on OfferUp. It was a 3080 Ti for 1,500. I know it's sculptor price, ooh, but like honestly, it doesn't sound that bad at this point. So it's like a 3090, but half the VRAM. So yeah, the ROI was like 9 months. In fact, I could just go to what to mine right now and figure that out. It could have changed since the last time I looked. I usually take ROI as a grain of salt, but yeah, they updated this, and I just can't read this that well. Like, where's what? There we go. So, yeah, there we go. That's probably what I'll be mining on this anyway. See, I could do Conflex, get that little bit of more money, but it probably won't really last long. There we go. 166.8, and this dude wants it for 1,500. So it takes 9 months, and I would put this in my main PC, so I'm kind of fine with this type of ROI. And this isn't really that bad in the first place, really. But yeah, I am really considering it. But which makes me think of changing my CPUs to Raptorium so I could get more stable income and try and get as much money I can before someone buys it. I don't know why this always happens. Like, delete it. Like, here, where is it? I guess I got rid of it. It like comes back, and then they just got rid of it. I don't know. Weird. So, anyway, I got so distracted. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I was planning to mine Raptorium on my CPU and mine this for just a little tiny bit, and then put everything back to F and try and get to 1,500. Cause let's see, I have like $800. So in a month, I could get like maybe like 9, maybe 1,300 ish, and then I could get money from somewhere else and then buy it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for September 18th. Oh, I did try to mine Ergo on my Raven. I mean, not Raven. What am I saying? On my R9 390s, and I don't know why, but I was just getting invalid shares like crazy. It was around 40, 50 mega hashes for each card, which isn't horrible at all, but I don't know. It was on stock settings too, because I don't know. It just did not want to. There's just so many rejected shares that I don't know how to fix it. The only thing I could think of is put it on Windows and try and see what it would be like, which I don't feel like doing. So I'll most likely sell those cards on November, because if y'all haven't heard, Ethereum or EIP something. I don't know the numbers. It's like 3 something something. I don't really remember. I completely forgot. But it's basically adding artificial miners to spike up the difficulty of F, therefore making it even less profitable. So yeah, and my R9390s are really only good at mining F. So I mean, it could mine other coins, but I just don't really want to mine with them anymore. They take too much power anyway, and they're old. So if I could just sell them for like maybe, I don't know. I could be greedy and try to do 250, but I think I'll just do 150 local, or maybe 200. I don't know. It just depends on the price. And then I could hopefully translate that to a better GPU or something else. Probably not, because you can't get shit nowadays. And if you find a decent price, it'll just be a fucking scam. But yeah. Yep, that's really it for today. So yeah. All right, it's September 27th. I'm editing the video right now, and Jesus Christ, I sound like a depressed motherfucker. I mean, I guess I am. So I guess this is a pretty crappy week, not week, month, when it comes to mining, because all the deals I got or tried to do did not work. Like I said before, like the Orcs 580 deal with that whole, it's like a whole pre-built system for like 250, and then Hurricane Ida hit, and then that deal's gone forever. It's like, and then okay, this is only a rumor as of September 27th. So they think, when I say they, I am thinking of the Fix It drop server. Oh, come on, Discord. There we go. They believe in server announcements. What is this? I didn't read this yet. Basically, they're saying that there could be a drop on October 1st, which is a Friday, which I was planning to skip school. And I was looking at the prices, and I realized that getting two 3070 Ti's instead of one 3080 Ti would be a way much better purchase, mining-wise. Even though I do want the 3080 Ti just to flex more, but like 3070 Ti is still a flex. The GPU I have right now is a flex. Yeah, I just want the best of the best now at this point. So yeah, so Friday on October 1st is still a rumor, it seems. I'm only basing my information on this dude, so yeah, that's it. The thing is, my cuck of a teacher, my math teacher, he's making us do the midterms early, which is on a Friday. So he basically just cock blocked me to skipping school to go to Best Buy to get these GPUs, which really pisses me off. It's just, life is gay, bro. One after another, I just get cock blocked for getting GPUs. It's like, what the hell? So yeah. What else could I talk about? Guess I could talk about. Oh yeah, I could show you the profits I'm talking about, like the big difference. So if I go on Best Buy, I believe these are like, I don't know, 800, no, not 800, maybe 700 something. I don't know. They're very close in price. For two of those, it was close to a 3080 Ti, which is like 1,300, 1,200 on Best Buy. So if I do this, two 3070 Ti's, let's do, sure, Ravencoin, 723. Or actually, no, let's not do that. Let's look on here. So this is Ergo right here. This is 340 mega hashes. And for Cowpow, which is what Ravencoin uses, just making sure, 80 mega hashes, which is amazing. Which, let's say, instead of getting two 3070 Ti's, we go for one 3080 Ti. Now we go down to 260 mega hash for Ergo, and then 50 for Cowpow. Yeah, and I have a lot of room for GPUs, So I am perfectly fine with getting two 3070 Ti's. Plus, I'm too lazy to do the math, really, but I believe that's around like 6-month ROI instead of like 9-ish months. So yeah, that's good too. So I was super pumped for this shit too. But of course I can't go and do the Best Buy drop or go to the Best Buy drop at all. So pain. One thing I could do is hold off from buying that 3080 Ti for 1,500 and wait for the Best Buy drop to happen, and then see what the prices would be like when everyone's trying to sell locally and stuff with those damn scalpers. Depending on the price, I might actually buy GPU sculpt, which I never thought I would consider that, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Lastly, I might. I forgot I did this. Anyway, lastly. Fuck. Alright. Don't worry about that. Let's just look at the prices on here. And I did not actually. I made a new. What do you call it? I made a new spreadsheet, which I do need to show y'all that. And I did not put the prices in or anything yet because I honestly forgot to do it. So I'm actually gonna end this video, well, not end this video, end this recording now, and then record back when I've finished everything. All right, I just finished putting all the numbers in. I guess I want to tell you how I made this pretty much. So basically, this is the price of your crypto right here. These two right here changes automatically, but the Google Finance command doesn't work with all these other ones. So you either just put them in manually, or you could probably do like an API thing from like CoinGecko and have it change automatically like that. But I just couldn't get it to work, so I'm just doing it manually whenever I want to look at this graph. So yeah. So this is crypto income because I want to see how much cryptocurrency, like the coin itself, I'm actually getting. So I could see like the graph and to see if I'm getting more of that coin or if I'm getting less of that coin. It'd be kind of cool to have like some type of hash rate thing too, now I think about it. Well, I don't really need that now. This is crypto sold. So for example, that F that I mined on September for 0.1, and then I sold that, so 0.1 there, and I can't automatically get it to work where so in-hand income is money that I actually have in hand that I sold the crypto. That money's in my bank account. So this is the F I sold, that 0.1330. I have to manually put that in. But for this HODL income, see, this comes from here, the crypto remains. So basically, I'm doing my crypto income minus the crypto sold on whatever day I want, and then the crypto remains. And the remains, so let's take Monero for example, 126 times this will give you that $45. And let's say I come back to this next year or something stupid like that, and okay, let's say I just completely stopped mining and hodled everything, and I just come back next year and WoW became 69,420. Let's just change it to that, just see what happens, you know. I'm just gonna save that. 1, 2, 3, 69,420. All right, it exploded in price. Woohoo! Let's see how much money we have. Yeah. You get. Yeah. It changes. That'll be a nice dream. So yeah. That's basically what HODL income is for. It's basically the cryptocurrency I'm holding. It changes in value, and this changes in value because, you know, crypto. Woohoo. Crypto income. How much I sold, how much it remains. So basically for this, all I really got to do. So let's say I just sold this crypto now. Basically take that, times it by that, or by the current price, and then put it in here. And The reason why I can't automatically do that is because I would have to change these prices in the future, which would also affect this. So, yeah, I'm just doing this manually. There's probably a better way to do this, but I just need something that just works better. I do have a graph. I think I already mentioned that, but yeah, graphs are cool. So I have expenses here. I don't actually pay any expenses, so it's just there for the future. Then profit is basically taking my my HODL income and my in-hand income and combining them together. And this is your totals. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is pretty much all I really got for September. I do have more cryptocurrency than just this, but like it's still in the pool, so they don't count. Because I am getting like maybe in 2 weeks I'll get my other point 0.1 F, which would be in October. So yeah. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. So I guess we could just go to here. My stonks, $653 in September. That's pretty impressive. But the thing is, I did got lazy with this. I didn't put UPX. I didn't do like I don't want to figure out how much I mined on all these months and all this too and all that. I basically just took the information I have now and just put it in here, and I'll just put future information in there, and that's it. So yeah. Well, I guess this is miner logs for September. Guess we're done. Not a very eventful month. Honestly, it was a very shitty month in my opinion. But oh well. Have a good day, I guess. I don't know.